Hello everyone, this is the Triple Boss. Today we are going to create a website for free using Infinity Free. The link for the website is given in the description. You need to sign up. You need to enter your credentials and create a new account. And when you sign up, you will get the box here and you should click create account. And you should write your domain name. I am going to write as how to create a website, and this is a subdomain. Subdomains are totally free. You can choose any one you want. I am going to choose this greatsite.net, and it has come success for me. And in the account label you can delete this website form, and you can write your password here. I wrote my password and click create account. Then you should open this control panel and it will come like this. You can click I approve and you should scroll down and go to the software box and you should click the Softaculous apps installer. It will come like this. Something went wrong. Please alert 20 minutes then retry. Sometimes when you create an account, it will take time to load. So wait to 5 minutes and check. I waited for 5 minutes and it came for me. Then at the first you will see this WordPress. You should go near this and click install. And this is the versions list. 5.8.1 is the latest version for me. And you can choose this, but HTTPS and HTTPS www will not be available because you should have a SSL certificate. But you don't. I'll explain how to get a SSL certificate later. And you can change this. I'm going to change it as Triple Boss, and this has tutorials and full version software for free. You can write your admin username. I'm going to keep it as admin, and you can change your password. I wrote my password, and you can use the select plugins, and you can change your language. Mine's is English, so I'm going to select English itself, and you can select plugins, limit login attempts loginizer if you want, and you can select themes, but I'm not going to select themes, and click install. It will sometimes takes time. The installation got finished for me, and you will get your website here. If you click the first URL, you will open the website of yours, and if you click the second URL, you will open the administrative website, also known as admin's website. You can customize your site here. Friends, now I will let you know how to create the SSL certificate for free. You should open the Infinity Free website and copy the domain name, and you will have a free SSL certificate name tab. You should click that and click add SSL domain and paste the domain name here and click add domain. The best SSL domain here, the SSL provider here is the GoGet SSL. Click choose provider. And then it will open a tab like this and click request SSL certificate and it will open this. You need to set up the following CNAME records on a domain name. The record name is this. You need to copy this and you need to open the control panel. And you should scroll down to the advanced and click CNAME records. You should paste the record name here and go back to the SSL certificate. And then copy the destination name and go to that tab and paste it there and click add. Then the CNAME record will be added. You should copy the CNAME record. Then you should go to this website. The link for the website is given in the description below. And you should paste the link of the CNAME record. And you should click this arrow button and scroll down until you see the CNAME lookup and click the CNAME lookup here. Sometimes it will take time to get published. Check out after 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, if you get the result like this, DNS record not found, wait for 5 minutes and refresh the Infinity Free website page. And you will see that the current destination will become ready. To go to the next step, you should see the certificate here. But if it is not present here, then you should wait for some more minutes or hours. It took me like 3 hours to get the certificate. Then open the Infinity Free website in a new tab and then click manage and click control panel. Scroll down until you see this SSL/TLS and click it and click configure SSL and go to the view SSL certificate tab and copy this private key here and paste it here and click upload key. Next, copy this certificate and paste it in the certificate tab and click upload certificate. Pandey. Say okay. And then open the Softaculous apps installer again. Click this installations and click the website. Now it is saved. It will come as connection is secure. So let's start customizing our website. First, select a theme. The best theme for this website is this Astra theme. I already installed it and activated it. So I'm going to visit my site. Then click customize. If you want to change this header, click header builder and click site title and logo. If you want to keep a logo here, you should click select logo. If you want to keep a site icon, you should click the site icon and select site icon. And to add a post, first publish this and to add a post, click this new post. You can write any title you want. I'm going to write as triple grass. And you can write anything you want. So these are the some of the primary editing in our website. So hope this helps you. Thank you. Triple Grass at your service.